got more birds incoming right now. Widgeon. Rolled that one. That was nice. Whew. Huh. Feathers. That fast. We gotta get over there and get that bird. I don't know if I caught it on this one. That was pretty sweet though. All right, there she is. Oh, no, no. You guys, this is my first ever, I think that's a Eurasian widgeon. Am I saying that right? It's my first ever. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful bird. Let's go! First ever Eurasian widgeon, and I got it pretty good with a headshot, but yeah, that is definitely special.